Hi guys, in this one I'm going to go over dragons with the Super Yeti Blimp. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the army for this one. So the army is going to include your queen, minion prince, warden, 10 dragons, 3 healers, 9 minions, 3 clones, 1 rage, a poison in CC, freeze in CC, blimp in CC, and Super Yeti in CC. Alright, so this one is going to be very similar to the cloned balloon strategy, where we're going to make a pop-up army just with the Super Yeti, which works differently from the balloons. Alright, let's get into an example. Alright, so getting started, the first thing you want to do is you want to use your queen, decide where it's going to go. Now your queen is going to be less supported in this one, so you want to keep her away from any single target infernos. If you see a single target inferno that can target on the outside, do not have your queen going near it. Try to go down a side that does not have anything that can just one-shot your queen. Use your giant arrow to cross the entire base. Try to get 2 air defenses if you can, but 1 is good at least. Then you want to have the dragons go beside it for the remainder of that side. Then put the blimp behind, then the minion prince and warden. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to watch the blimp. You do not want it to manual crash. You want to just let it crash wherever it decides to. Place 3 clones, and then rage, and this is going to make all your Yeti mites take out a big chunk of the base. The reason this is helpful because by the time the dragons kind of get to that boundary where the Yeti mites are attacking, they've already got all the defenses before that. Alright, so after that, make sure to use your warden ability wherever it is needed to help the dragons. And you use the minions for cleanup. Now, based on this, it is very, very powerful. You can do a lot of things with this one, just because of how quick it is. And how well it flows, because you're doing everything in one step. So this strategy is definitely used a lot at Town Hall level 17. In fact, at Town Hall level 17, this used to be a thing before the Eternal Tome got changed. However, I believe it is still a thing. Alright, that'll be it for this one.